What's up, guys? It's Jordan here. I'm really excited about this because this box has my new backpack in it, which is going to be going with me wherever I go for the next, I don't know how long. And that's insane to think about, and I wanted to share the experience of opening it with you guys today and see what it looks like and just capture this reaction because this is insane. Yeah, let's do it. And this is probably not what you should use your chef's knife from Tokyo for, but it's sharp and it's here. So this bag is from Peak Designs. I've had their everyday backpack for years now. And this is their travel bag. And then some of the other stuff that I bought to go with the travel bag. I think, at least. All right. So we're gonna take this off and we're gonna go through each thing. Wash pouch. That's sick. All right. So I've actually never owned a toiletry bag before. It's always been one of those things that I'm just like, you don't actually need one of those. You can just, you know, shove it in your bag and get your toothpaste everywhere when it inevitably explodes, right? And I don't want that anymore. God. So the first thing I noticed right away with this, like, Peak Designs stuff is, it's so durable, it's so rugged, it's so beautiful. This matte black finish. They make this in, I think they make the wash pouch in a bunch of colors actually, but I got everything in black. I love their matte black design. I think it's gorgeous. And they just do really high quality work with everything. I just learned they actually don't have outside investors at all. So it's just people who buy their products, which I think is really cool. So take a quick look at the watch pouch. Man, I don't even really know. Oh yeah, this feature I heard about is super cool. So you got a little hook, right? Hang this on your shower, whatever. And open this bad boy up. Man. So I mean, I don't know how much you guys can see of this right now. I'll get some close-up shots of stuff maybe, but this, like, I cannot wait to shove all my goodies in here. And I'm gonna do another video in the future of like what it looks like once I have everything packed. And how I kind of go about planning for the trip and what I'm bringing with me. So that'll come in the future, but for now, Peak Designs wash pouch. It's pretty sick. All right, let's reach next into the box of goodies again. So I have not decided, this is one of their packing cubes, it's a small packing cube. I don't know how to feel about these yet, and apparently in the world of travel and backpacking, nobody knows how to feel about them. They seem to be pretty contentious, but I don't know. I wanted to give them a shot. So this is their small travel bag or packing cube. And the way the travel backpack works is you can divide it into like 3 sections, and each section is a small packing device, whether that's the wash pouch, the tech pouch, the camera cube, the packing cube. I have too many things. I already can tell you. I have a small camera cube, a small packing cube, a medium packing cube, a tech pouch, and a wash pouch. I don't think those are all gonna fit, but damn it, we're gonna try. Something that did sell me on their packing cubes right away though is you have a separate section for your dirty laundry out here than you do for your clean stuff. And their packing cube is a quick pull away thing. So you can take this tab and just open it. Theoretically, we're gonna actually try it now. If I put the zippers here, so I grab these pull tabs. All right, that is so sick. I really like that. So that's probably gonna be where like socks and undies and stuff go. Undecided on how many pairs of each I'm gonna bring so far. And oh, is this like another zipper? Oh, and that's the zipper to expand the cube a little bit. It looks like you got one of those on each side so you can maximize your travel storage space. Sick. Super excited about that packing cube. I'll let you know what I think about packing cubes once I have a chance to use it. Next in the box is the tech pouch. Now this I'm really excited about because I've been a nerd my entire life. I'm very proud of the fact that I'm a nerd, and with being a nerd comes the fact that I love using technology of all shapes and sizes. So this is going to be an amazing place for me to store that as I'm traveling. And their tech pouch is big enough. I think my Switch is going to fit in here. I really hope my Switch is going to fit in here. I might go get a Switch Lite so I have one with me, because I'm not going to travel for a year without games. Are you crazy? Who do you think I am? But this is designed for organization of cords, chargers, general technology. I do know you can fit a Kindle in here. I'm finally going to be an ebook convert after years of saying that I would never be for this trip, because I'm not going to pack as many books as I want to read with me. And man, this thing is so sick. So I don't know if you can see, but like all these individual stretch pouches in here for like holding a phone, holding a wallet. You can definitely put a passport in here. This middle zipper pouch. But dude, like the layers of organization that are available in their bags, and like all of these pouches have these little tiny like security pouches in them, or just like elastic bands to keep stuff snug. Definitely can fit a Kindle or like a Switch Lite in here, or at least I'm going to try my damnedest. And like phone, headphones, chargers, cords, adapters for abroad. And then a little outside pouch here if you want to shove something in there. So something that's really unique about Peak Designs that I want to talk about while I've got this one out is these two loops here. So all their bags and like extra components are designed to play really nicely together. So you can actually attach this to the outside of the bag with these like loop through poles that you can get. And I think they might come with some. So you can kind of attach this to the outside of your bag if you want, or there's segments you can attach it on the inside, especially for the camera cube. So you can just like reach in and grab stuff. All in all, super sick. This handle on both sides, that's really nice. You want to just grab this and go. The way they advertise this is like it's sitting next to your laptop, so you can like bring your chargers, bring all the extra goodies you might need, and while you're working at a coffee shop or whatever. I'm really excited about this and see what I can fit in it. And then we have medium packing cube. So this is going to be where like all of my actual clothes go. The one thing I don't have an answer to yet is how I'm going to fit a gi for jiu-jitsu with me. Because I absolutely want to travel as many places as I can. And while I'm traveling to as many places as I can, I want to train in as many places as I can and get some of that sweet, sweet jiu-jitsu goodness from somewhere else. Not that I don't love my gym, because my gym is amazing. But let's check this medium packing cube out. This is admittedly smaller than I thought it was going to be. And I have reservations about fitting enough clothing in here. But oh, actually, maybe not. We'll see. So nothing really that different to see here than on the small packing cube. You have this outside pouch for dirty laundry. And then I think this also still has a nice little like grab tab here so you can hold it there. This also has just these quick, God, that is so satisfying. Oh, okay, we're doing that again. That is like the coolest feeling in the world. Grab these pull tabs. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm here for that. And I think this one also expands so that you can fit more stuff in it. I'm thinking like 5 shirts, some shorts, and a pair of jeans, probably. Maybe we can fit that in here. I don't know, we're gonna find out. It's gonna be a tight squeeze, fam. I don't know. And the piece de resistance for today. It's the travel backpack. My camera cube is coming in a separate box. So I'm probably not gonna wait to release this one until I get the camera cube I'll let you guys know what I think about it once I have it. But that's just gonna be for bringing what's filming this with me, a couple lenses, the microphone, whatever else. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's like Christmas in July right now for me. This is awesome. Okay. Oh, man. Man. This thing is gorgeous. Wow. So, I don't even know where to start. One other really cool thing, this is made from recycled plastic, which I just think is really cool. Peak Design is actually a 100% carbon offset company. So they offset their carbon footprint 100% in what they do, which is insane, really cool. Kudos to them for that. So let's get all this stuff out of here. Oh. So the way this bag works is it can expand to 45 liters or snap down and compress to, I think, 30 liters. I'm obviously going to be going for the 45 liter configuration, unless I ever like turn this into a day pack, which I'm almost positive I'm never gonna do. I'm gonna bring like a smaller packable backpack with me for that. So one of the, immediately in this, their everyday backpack works the same way, but you can access the whole bag from the side on both sides, and this is like one of the best features in the world. If you just like, and their straps are, at least on the day bag, yeah, so their straps pivot, so you can like have this on your back, right? And then you can, at least I'll have to figure out how you do that, but the straps pivot and rotate. And one of the other really cool things, they also just like stow away into the bag, into the back side here, in theory. Yeah, super sick. And then you can just carry it from the back here after you've tucked the straps away, which is intense. The amount of features in these bags is genuinely bananas for everything that they do. They've thought of everything, and I love them for it. I really, really do. So you have your chest support strap here, so you can slip this off, clip it into that bag or onto the side, so that when you're carrying this, you know, you've got some support. I think it also has a waist strap, I think. It does. Oh my God, that is so slick. So the waist one actually tucks in, right? So you can just hide that away, and then when you want to pull it out and get your extra waist strap there. Oh my God. Again, they thought of everything, right? So like if you don't need those, if you not need the hip and back support, these just slide seamlessly into the bag, and they're completely hidden. And it's like slightly magnetic, so once that's shut, it just stays there. And they have a luggage tag here on the side. Nice. And that just gets hidden away, so if, God forbid, I'm gonna keep my eye on this thing at all times. But if for whatever reason it got lost, hopefully someone would look in there. And then one of the other best features about this bag that I knew about going into it was it's completely accessible from the back. And that just zips wide open, right? So between the side access and the back access, man, I mean, you can get to this bag from pretty much any way that you want. You can configure this bag in pretty much any way that you want. I also realized that I'm like bouncing my microphone all around a lot, this cord. So I hope that's not like fucking the audio too badly. We will find out. So those back pouches, when you combine those with the side pouches, like you can get to this bag from anywhere. And you've got a lined top pouch here, So if you need anything that you don't want to scratch, you can throw that in there, which is really nice. And you can also open up the front of the bag here. And so you get all of this like compartmentalized space here. You get some like mesh lined zippers. So if you had anything that maybe like needed to dry, or like some toiletries or stuff that you needed to be able to have breathe, you could put them in here. And again, like we had in the tech pouch and the wash pouch, you have these really nice elastic straps. We'll see if I can figure out how to do this. I also know that this middle divider, you can just unzip so that you can get to the entire bag from the front pouch as well, or the front side of the bag as well. So yeah, you can just open that whole guy up. And then I know too, if we get this out, in case you can't tell, I've watched a lot of reviews about this bag. This can, I think, just get unzipped, and then I'm pretty sure you can like roll it up and store it somewhere, which you can. So you just roll that up, it tucks into itself. So now I can close this top pouch if I want, and when I open it again, right, like I gotta pull something out, I'm just like immediately in the internals of the bag, so I don't have that mesh area anymore, which is pretty amazing. I think, man, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet for that configuration. And you see these loops here, like this is where you can actually attach different packing stuff. So I know your camera cube, you can attach to those loops, and then if you open the bag from the side, you can actually open the bag directly to the camera cube and have the camera cube open. So you can just like open the bag from the side, reach in, grab a new lens, swap it out, you know, whatever there, which is genuinely bananas. I can't say enough good things about this company, about this bag, about their customer service. Luckily I've never actually needed to use it, but like the way they communicate about shipping, the way they give you some updates and stuff like that is just phenomenal. Really big fan. So we'll close this up. And then, man, I mean, I'm gonna need to spend some time just like looking into everything you can do with this bag, because I don't even know where to start. And then I'm not sure where these actually snap, but as you can see, like, so this is expanded capacity, and then I can snap this down to a 30-liter bag, which just, you know, diminishes the size quite a fair bit, the profile of it, but then, man, if I need this locked and loaded and ready to go, it can be. So, man. Yeah. So, that's it. That's the bag. That's as much as I know about the bag right now, at least. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because I'm so excited about getting to use this and seeing the world with it. So, man, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for the support I've gotten so far on this channel, on these videos. It's been overwhelming, it's been amazing. And I can't wait to keep sharing stuff with you. If you like this, leave a like. If you have questions, if you want to see something about the bag, or like have just general questions for me, whatever, leave a comment. And then as always, the biggest thing you can do is hitting that subscribe button so that you can stay tuned for all my future content. I've got a bunch of cooking stuff coming before I leave my apartment in like a month and a half, which is also bonkers. And then after that, it's gonna be, you know, travel stuff, which is also still gonna be a lot of food and cooking stuff too. So that's it. That is the Peak Designs travel backpack. I will have another video up when I actually get it packed and how I'm gonna think about using this for my time abroad. That's it. Peace, y'all.